So when you're facing the problem while installing Windows 10, this is what you need to do. First, press Shift plus F10 on your keyboard, then a command prompt will open. Once you open, type REGEDIT. After you press open, then expand the H key local machine folder. Then next you want to expand the system folder. So you come over to the system folder and expand it. So next you want to expand the setup folder. So you just come over to setup and you want to go over to the status folder. Once you're on the status folder, click on child completion and then go over and change the value of it from 1. Then you want to change it to 3. So you tap 3 there and then you OK. Then you press OK and then your computer gonna restart. So once this problem fixed, if you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel. Also give me a like. Thank you for watching this video.